Today we're checking out Hershey Computers, located at 48 West Caracas in Hershey, Pennsylvania. They have lots of free parking. Lots of free parking. See Cocoa Avenue is down the street with the theater, fire department, Houlihan's up on Chocolate straight across, the new Hershey Museum in the neighborhood. Let's go check out Hershey Computers. Store hours are 10 to 6 Tuesday through Friday, and open Saturday at Saturday market. Got cleaning supplies, CD stuff. Oh wow, they have used stuff. Very rare to come across genre like this. Miscellaneous parts. Look at it. Wireless keyboard and mouse, only $25. Wow. Regular keyboard and mouse, only $10 for a keyboard. $5 for a mouse. Looks like they have all the typical cables a person could use. USB printer cable. It's only $6. Staples sells those for $29. Webcam only $20. Looks like their wireless stuff is on sale. $25, $36. Speakers, external hard drive, and power supplies. They have used Dell computers. Let's see, Pentium 4, 2.0, 512 memory, 40 gig hard drive, only $175. Completely refurbished. New monitors, still in box. And I got a computer. We have a Crown computer, 80 gig, 1 gig of memory, DVD burner, on sale for $295. It's a nice small monitor. Here's another computer, $395 for dual core. Look at the size of that monitor. Wow. And $495. Aha, look at this. Gaming computer, normally $695, on sale for $595. Pretty neat. That's cool. Let's see, laptops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of them. That's pretty good for a small shop. Laptop bags. See, leather ones, $15. Looks like they have all the miscellaneous parts for laptops too. Even chargers. I'm pretty impressed. New printers. Let's see, a sales flyer. And looks like they have credit available. And then all their prices. I'll take this. Looks good. Well, let's go check out some other business.